Hey, welcome everybody. Larry here, and welcome back to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. This is another mail call. Cool. Yeah, I was on eBay and doing some looking and got into some auctions and stuff, and I ended up with this little jewel in my hands. So we'll get this thing going on here, and you get a box. See, box. So let's open up the box and show you all what's in here. All right. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Check it out. You got the dot. Yes, sir. That's what it is. Isn't this not gorgeous? Ballpoint. And it's got the short clip on it. Giving you some hints. Beautiful pen. Can't wait to taste it. You know, so hey, vintage Sheaffer, vintage Parker. Those are some of my favorites besides Esterbrook, and there's some others that I like to really dip into. So, I got a lot of reviewing to catch up. I'm sorry I've been behind. And while we're at it, we're going to do our last opening today that came in just in time. Da la 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 la. So how was your day, Mr. Announcer?
Well, it was pretty decent today.
Anything new happen?
No, nothing yet.
How were all the kids at school?
Had one who was a little off the wall, but most of them were okay.
Right. This comes from the iPen store. Okay. Here we go. Now the iPen store was having a sale, a really good sale. The kind of sale that when you see it, even though you don't need it, but then you still get it. That's what I call it's a disease we have. But that's what pen folks do. And that's okay, isn't it? That's right. It's okay. Wonder how was that too? I forgot about that. So, anyway, I am down to 2 sheets of Tomoe River paper. And this is all I use when I do my letters. This is it. Favorite paper. So, I've been looking and I said, well, you know what? I'm over here at the iPen store, so why not get some of their other goodies that are on sale? So I did. And thank you, iPen store. They send me this. Thank you, and thank you. Looks like it's Jim, or would that be Jen?
Written as it is, I would say Jen.
Jen. Thank you, Jen. Very thoughtful. Appreciate it. And I will certainly be using this as well. And so I picked up this paper. And then, yeah, I saw this pen. And right there I fell in love with it. And the iPen store, if you've never checked them out, you need to, because they really have some good deals going on. And you never know what's going to be on sale. Parker, baby. Parker. There we go. So let's go ahead and take this little sweetness out. And as always, I will do a few review with it. And this is the Parker Jotter fountain pen. Parker Jotter. fountain pen. They call it the Bond Street Black with Chrome. That is cool. Comes with a cartridge. And you can always get that. They do have converters for these. I need to order some. Because I have 3 or 4 Parkers that need converters. Or do I have 2 that need converter? And the ink. Nice size cartridges. So there you have it. That's my haul. Are y'all grooving with the grooves today? Hey, I hope everybody's had a great day today. And be safe. Remember to wash your hands. Try not to touch your face. Let's try to be as safe as we can. Things out there are getting kind of a little hairy. I know it. But we know it's here. And we know we have to deal with it. And we can deal with it. We will deal with it. So, we have all the tools to do it with. And we got our main man watching over. His name is called Jesus. He rocks as well. So, here we are, folks. Beautiful fountain pen. Beautiful everything. So, that's going to wind it up, and I'll have some reviews coming out. But seriously, I'm sorry I got behind again. Been in and out of the doctor's office doing MRIs, and they're retesting some of the nerves in the spine that have been all damaged, and the brain is sending signals to the nerves in the spine that are damaged. But the best way I can describe it to you is like they have. Maybe some of the nerves have a little spark in them. So when the brain talks, it kind of sparks that nerve a little bit, and they're mixed signals. And they cause this terrible pain that you wouldn't ever want to have. And then that leads into depression many times. So that's what I deal with. That's my life. But fountain pens, and you guys, yeah, you, each and every one of you out there, you're the ones that keep me going. Thank you. And of course, give all the praise and credit to God himself, or I wouldn't be here. That's my beliefs. So, God bless each and every one of you. Hey, I've had a blast today. It's time to get off this machine because it's Cubby time. And Cubby needs to have his snack in bed. He's very picky, isn't he, Mr. Announcer?
Oh, yes.
Very picky. So, again, God bless you. Thank each and every one of you. And it gets from Jen. Thank you from the iPen store. I really, really like this little notebook. It's going to come in handy. All right, folks. That'll do it. Until next time, be safe. And remember, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.